Hi guys, so quick video. I wanted to film this video properly, but I want to make my hair, so I just want to run through with this video. Okay, so this is how I remove the glue from my hair after frontal installation. Okay, so I don't really like frontal installation because of it actually cuts off the front hair, and I don't do frontal installation because of that. Because there was a time I cut I made a braid and it cut a lot of my front hair, and since that time I've been trying to like bring back my front hair, and I know how long it took me to bring back my front hair and how things I bought, and I have my front hair back. Okay, so I had to run away from frontal installation, but now I found out how I remove the glue from frontal installation, and it doesn't cut my hair. Like not even a single strand goes off my hair. So yeah, that's what I want to like put you guys on, because a lot of people that do frontal installations, when you see their front hair is already chopped up. So this video is going to be very important and very useful for you along the line, right? This video is going to be very, very useful for you. So it's just a simple thing, doesn't even take time. This is what my hair looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. I see the white part. Yeah, can you guys see? So this is how I remove the glue from my hair. I use this yeah, I use this Morning Fresh. If you guys can see, it's still there, the glue. And I didn't carry this frontal for a long time. I don't really like carrying frontal for a long time because that's pressure to my skull. So I always only carry my frontal like 2 days maximum, 2 days, and I take it off. So it always makes the glue to be strong. The glue is always still fresh and strong because I always pull it out from my hair. So this is how I remove the glue from my hair. I'll just use this. There is a soap that works better. There's this round soap that is very affordable in the market. This is an old soap that we used to use in washing plates. It is very round and white. I don't know what it's called, but it's just a round white soap for washing of plates. Yes, if you have that soap, you can also use it to. That was what I used the last time, but unfortunately it has finished in the house, so I'm using this Morning Fresh. So you just apply it on your front hair, and then you just be pulling your hair like small. Nothing is coming out apart from the glue. No strand of hair is coming out. Just apply it and then be pulling it like this, small. Okay, now if you get to the shower after doing this, if you just get to the shower to wash it off, everything will be gone. So this is just how doing it like this. Now I'm actually removing, I don't know if you guys can see me, right? Doing it like this now, I'm actually removing the glue from my hair, and there is no hair strand going off. My front hair is still there. Guys, I know how I struggle to get back my front hair, so I do not joke with front hair. I do not even do hairstyles that would cut my front hair, but frontal installation is actually always beautiful. So you just have to do frontal installation. So this is how I remove it. Okay, I go over it and just do it like this. The glue will just be losing its grip on the hair, but the hair is still strong. That's just it. Okay, the white soap I talked about was actually much easier, but this is also removing it. Look at, I'm removing all the glue. So guys, this is it though. That is it. None of my hair is going, just the glue is going off. Then I will go and have my bath because I want to braid my hair now. I'm actually going to a salon to make braids, so I have to remove all of this. So guys, I'm going to go and have my bath, then come out and show you guys the results. Okay, yeah. You guys, a quick update from the last clip you guys saw. It is currently 11 p.m. and I want to sleep. Okay, I've already prepped myself for sleep, and I remember that I'm doing a video and I have to complete this video today. So I'm so sorry that I didn't carry you guys along when I was washing the hair, because I have a long process of washing my hair. I'm on natural hair, so I have to like do protein masks, do coffee and egg, like clove on my hair. Whenever I'm doing like wash days are always like stressful for me, so I couldn't carry you guys along everything, and I was running out of time. I needed to go make my hair because I started filming the last clip you guys saw in the afternoon time. So I did everything in a hurry, but I want to just show you guys the updates of the hair. I've already washed my hair, removed the glues. I want to just show you guys what my hair looks like. Yeah, so as you can see, I still have edges, okay, although it's not so big because I cut my edges. Like, I had a very big cut hair without edges before. It used to be very funny. Like, I didn't have everything you guys are seeing here. I didn't have it. Okay, there was a point I was like, should I just cut my hair? But I was like, I gave myself ginger that I needed, the spirit. And I'm so happy for that decision because, as you guys can see, my edges are growing back. So I don't like losing a single strand of my edge. Okay, so yeah, this is the process I do, my DIY. You can actually do this at home, or you can get this glue. I think there is a glue remover. I see it in the supermarket, but I've not tried it before. So you can get a glue remover to take out your glues. But if you don't have that, you can actually do this DIY I do at home to remove your glue without cutting your edges. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I've done a new braids for the wig to wear my wig with. So guys, yeah, that's the update. You can also use spirit, okay, the normal spirit, to weaken the glue. If you want to remove your frontal and it's so hard, just get your spirit, put it in cotton wool and just apply it on your hair. It will weaken the glue and your wig or your lace would come off. Okay, yeah, then you now use this method to remove the residue of the glue on your hair. So guys, yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching up to this level, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.